In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest in Charles Schwab mutual funds. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to place your first order with confidence. Start by going to schwab.com and logging into your account. Before you buy anything, make sure you have cash available in the account you plan to use. Mutual fund orders are placed in dollar amounts, so you'll need settled cash on hand. If you recently transferred money in, note that funds may take a bit to settle before they're available to trade. Next, find the mutual fund you want. From the main menu, go to Research, then select Mutual Funds. Here, you can use the search bar if you already know a fund's name or ticker. Something like SWPPX is a common example. If you're still exploring, a great place to start is the Schwab Select List. It's a curated lineup of funds that meet certain criteria, which can make narrowing down choices easier when you're just getting started. Before you buy, take a moment to evaluate the fund. Look at the expense ratio, which is the annual fee charged by the fund. Lower is generally better, especially for long-term investing. Consider the type of fund. Index funds, like those that track the S&P 500, are beginner-friendly, broadly diversified, and usually cost less. Actively managed funds aim to beat the market, but they typically have higher fees and can come with more risk. Also, check the minimum investment. Many funds have relatively low minimums, often around $100, but it varies by fund. Remember, one of the biggest advantages of mutual funds is instant diversification, because your money is spread across many holdings right away. When you're ready to place the order, click Trade. Choose mutual funds or the all-in-one trade ticket. Select the account you want to use, then enter the fund symbol to pull up the exact fund. Set the action to buy and enter the dollar amount you want to invest, such as $100. You'll also choose what to do with dividends. Reinvesting is common if you're building long-term growth. Review your details carefully to confirm the fund name and share class, then click Review Order and Place Order. A quick timing note: mutual funds don't execute instantly. They trade once per day after the market closes at the fund's net asset value. If you place your order before the cutoff, it should execute after the close that day. If not, it will go through on the next business day. That's it. You've invested in a Schwab mutual fund.